Hello, I am Lakshmi Dikshita. I am from Computer Science Department of Section C. I am here to explain my topic. The topic is Classical Free Electron Theory. Classical Free Electron Theory. Introduction to Classical Free Electron Theory. Classical election theory examines the process and outcome of elections. It provides a framework for understanding voter behavior, electoral system, and political outcome. The theory encompasses various models of concepts that helps explain how elections function. Historical context. Classical electron theory has roots in the works of politician philosophers like Aristotle and Rousseau. In 20th century, scholars began to format the study of elections as a distinct field. Post World War II developments lead to integration of mathematical models into political science. Key concept of election theory. Voters' preferences are central to understanding elections and outcomes and behavior. The concept of the median voter theorem posits that candidates will coverage towards the preferences of the median voter. Strategic voter occurs when voters do not vote for their preferred candidate to avoid an undesirable outcome. Electoral system. Differential electoral system can significantly influence election outcomes and party dynamics. Major types of electoral system include plurality and proportional representation and ranked choice voting. Each system has its own strengths and weaknesses affecting representation and voter engagement. Um, Voter behavior and decision making. Voter behavior is influenced by various factors including socio-economic status, education, and ideology. Psychological factors such as cognitive bias and group identity also a role in how individual votes. Understanding these behaviors help an explain electoral trends and shifts in public opinion. The role of political parties. Political parties serve as intermediate between voters and the government. They organize elections, mobilize voters, and provide platform for political discourse. Party systems can vary widely influencing the nature of competition and governance. Campaign strategies. Campaign strategies are essential for candidates to effectively communicate to their message to voters. Tactics include advertisement, debates, and grassroots mobilization efforts. The effectiveness of these strategies is often analyzed through the lens of classical electron theory. The impact of media. Media plays a crucial role in shaping public perception and influencing voter behavior. The rise of digital media has transformed how campaigns reach and engage with voters. Understanding media influence is vital for analyzing contemporary elections through classical election theory. Case studies in classical election theory. Case studies provides real-world example of how classical election theory applies to specific elections. Analyzing elections in different analyzing elections in different political contexts can reveal patterns and anomalies. Notable case study includes the US presidential elections and various parliamentary systems globally. Conclusion and future directions. Conclusion and future directions. Case study in classical election theory. Case study provides a real world example of how classical election theory applies to specific elections. Analyzing elections in different political contexts can reveal patterns and anomalies. Notable case study includes the US presidential elections and various parliamentary systems globally. Understanding media influence can be vital for analyzing contemporary elections through classical election theory. Conclusion and future directions. Classical election theory continues to evolve with advancements in technological and data analysis. The integral of behavior of economics and psychology offers new insights into vote decision making. Future research will likely focus on the impact of social media, misinformation, and changing demographics on elections. This presentation outline covers essential aspects of classical electron theory while adhering to the specific format. Thank you.